Good afternoon. Roedd rhaid I mi recordio'r podlediad yn gynharach heddiw. I have had to record the podcast earlier today. Rhybudd melyn am trwm I rannau o'r de. Yellow warning for heavy rainfall to parts of the south. That's not why I've had to do the podcast earlier. Cyfres 4 a phenod rhif cant 75. Series 4 and episode number 175. Nôl Am Dolig. Back for Christmas. Everyone. So yeah, recording a bit early today, so we've not got a mutation of da to da for noswaith. Prynhawn da is masculine, so no mutation. Gynharach, adjective being used after a predicative or is it an adverbial? Anyway, it's an adjective that's soft mutated, so gynharach has become gynharach. Anyway, so the am law, glaw has become law, g has dropped after am, key preposition. Pennod has become phenod after and that's it. Dolig is a shortening of Nadolig, and the reason it's not mutated for Nôl Am Dolig is because there's an apostrophe in Dolig, really, and so it'd be Nôl Am Nadolig. But Nôl Am Nadolig, and then it's become Nôl Am Dolig, but we don't mutate it to Nôl Am Dolig. Not really, anyway. What have we got? Yeah, so today there's a song called Nôl Am Dolig, not long been written and recorded. Young artist called Harry Luke. There's a link. Go and subscribe and comment and like and whatnot if you like it. And I've lifted the chorus out of it for a lesson today. So it's Nadolig llawn I chi. Merry Christmas to you. Mae'n braf bod nôl nawr dros y ffin. It's nice to be back over the border now. Newn ni ddathlu. We will celebrate. Dyn ni nôl gyda'n gilydd. We're back together. Nawn ni canu, dawnsio, bwyta. We will sing, dance, eat. Bydd hi'n well na llynedd. It will be better than last year. So yeah, Nadolig, Christmas, llawn, happy, merry. What else we got in there? Brav, fine, nice, them sort of words. Nôl, that can be a verb noun to fetch, get, collect, bring. But it can also be an adverb, back. So contraction of unol. Two separate words, which becomes one as an adverb. Nawr, now, soon. Ffin, new word. Border. Newn, okay, soft mutation of gnawn. This is a colloquial version of a future of grenade. I always say we will do. So in Welsh, you got one of the main verbs, nouns is grenade, and you have different tenses for them. And the future one is when you do to be is will in the future. But we don't really have to put the word will in, but in order to translate it, we do. So it's like we do in the future, but we will do covers it as a translation. And that's what's going on there. And it's just one of them. There's a few different ways of saying it. Gnawn, now. Yeah, and knock the G's off and knock the W's off. Like you did with some of the other ones in the past, Gnace and whatnot. With the preterite ones, past simple ones of grenade. Anyway, moving on. Ddathlu is celebrate, but it's the soft mutation of dathlu. To celebrate. Rydyn, we've got that in there now. R-Y-D-Y-N. That's we are, first person plural, present of board, how we would say we are. Gyda'n gilydd. A phrase meaning together, with each other. You've got gyda in there, with, and then the apostrophe N bit is an abbreviation of ein, our. So it's with, our. And then gilydd means fellow companion. So with our companion as a literal translation. So it means how you say together. And there's different ways of doing it. When you say us together, you together, different things happen to the pronoun bit there. Dawnsio, we already had that one on me before. Gwell, better, comparative of da. Oh, let's go back to da as well, because da, I've mentioned, can be good, but in this way, where he's saying it, is say dani. So he's saying it as in Rudani, but then that's become Dani, the north, D-A-N, space, N-I, Dani, and then he's shortened it further to just Dani, D-A, space, N-I. So that's part of board, we are. So the word da can mean good, well, can mean goods, as in a kind of, and a noun plural version of that. It can mean the good, as in another noun kind of way. And anyway, have a look at the rest on there. So, and then today's story after that one is coming up. It's just above. There it is. Dyddiau hyn, dwi'n mynd I leoedd tebyg gyda'r nod o wella yn y Gymraeg. Nowadays, I go to similar places with the aim of improving in Welsh. Mae pethau'n llawer haws nawr gan fod llawer o eiriaduron, llyfrau ac adnoddau eraill ar gael I ddysgwyr. Things are a lot easier now, as there are many dictionaries, books and other resources for learners. Mae gan y côr lleol ac ysgol gynradd Cymraeg y pentref gyngerdd Nadolig heno. The local choir and the village Welsh language primary school have a Christmas concert tonight. Byddaf yn darllen emyn yn ein capel y Sul nesaf hwn. I will be reading out a hymn in our chapel this coming Sunday. Okay, so what we got in there? Dyddiau hyn, a phrase nowadays. Some mutations. Wella is from gwella, the verb noun to improve. But we had gwell before, which means better. That's the, what's it called? Comparative of da, good. It's the same in English. You say good, and then something's more good, it's better. You don't just say gooder. So anyway, moving on. Eiriaduron, mutation, cheese drops, dictionaries. Yeah, there's a few in there. There's some games as well for all the mutations and the plural. That's what I'm giving you more practice for here as well as the tenses again and stuff. Go over some of the words in this as well. Lleoedd, places. Soft mutated to leoedd, double L becomes L, soft mutated. Gyda'r, when you see that apostrophe R with gyda, it just means with the. So it's the word the with the word with. Pethau is things, plural of peth. We're about out of time. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.